Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Now we can see here the silent mode switcher. If you want to turn on the silent mode, you should click here once on the switcher. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. When we'll turn it on again, the ringtones and notifications, they will ring. Also we can here turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can set the schedule for the don't disturb. Also we can allow notifications, message or calls from just contacts and just from now on, anyone, just from favorite contacts, for example. Also we can use the ring for repeated calls, and we can silence media in don't disturb mode. So here the next thing is the volume panels. We can see here the media, ringtone, notifications and alarm volume panels. We can change the volume of the media, ringtone, notification and alarms just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side, those dots. We can also here change the ringtone and notification sounds. We can use also the vibration on ring and or in silent mode. So just to do that, we should click on the switchers. In haptic and tones, we can also turn on or turn off the vibration on touch the screen, the dial button, screen lock unlock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds, fingerprint animation sounds, and touch sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should click each of the switchers. And in real sound technology, we can switch it from smart to movie, game and music. And in advanced settings, we can change the volume button function from media and from media to ringtone and back. So just now by press the volume buttons will change the media, and now we'll change the ringtones. And also we can change default recorder from auto select to the add-on, and in ear monitoring we can also in advanced settings, we can keep in ear monitoring same as recordings. Just to do that, we should use the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.